Sometimes, wonderful music is right by your side. We bring you not just a pair of earphones, but a perfect fusion of music and style. It hides effortlessly on the back of your phone, discreet yet always present. Unique earplug metal design. The completely silicone earpiece ensures no discomfort even after wearing it all day. The bent pilot tube design allows you to adjust the angle until you find the most suitable position. The charging case also turns into a cell phone stand in seconds, so you can easily enjoy watching movies or calls while charging. You can answer a call by double tapping on either side of the earphone.
Hello, David.
You can also wake up Siri by tapping the left headset 3 times.
Hi Siri, play some music.
The board is coated with a nano waterproof coating to keep it safe from sweat or water. OLED screen power indicator, always keep track of the power level, never lose power. TWS clip-on magnetic headphones, let you feel the technology at the same time, experience the good life.